Kaya mo ba? Okay, go ahead and screw the bottom part so we can take out get that electrical components out. Now, this compressor, it's about like 1 horsepower or above. It takes about 3 times more power. And that's where it takes 2 capacitors. Another one for the compressor, and usually the reason why this unit has 2, this one is for the different model. That's the only reason why. And this one has 3 terminals. Some air conditioners or fans, you know how the thing has a swivel. So that's basically this one's the fan. Fins here in the front, the fins here, okay? So do it properly or else people will criticize you. Maybe about 2/3 less before the strength of the wind.